Hello YouTube, this is Dawn from DaretoBeCreative. How you guys doing today? I am here with a haul from TM, and this is I'm calling it the Reset Girl haul because it's basically some reset items, papers primarily. So we went to TM, and my friend and I, one of my scrapping buddies, former co-worker, and we got some reset items. So, and basically women stuff on it, you see what I mean? So let me start with some of this stuff. I think it's duplicates because we've got some of the same things. I'm just gonna put hers over here. Anyway, so the Simple Stories line pocket Reset Girl had some of the stuff. Now these cards, the journaling cards, were 99¢, and it's 1908717. I give you the SKU number so you can look it up. The 1-800 number will be in the information box below. You can look it up and call and see if your Tuesday morning has it by putting that SKU number in and your zip code. And these are the journaling cards on the back. I don't know if it's gonna, probably not look better. It is early in the morning and the sun hasn't, well, it's up, but it's not on this side yet. But anyway, so that's those, if you can see them. So it's just basically some journaling cards. These are the pockets for $1.99, 1908716, and it's what, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 pockets and inserts. Yep, and that's my grandson in the background.
Yeah, again.
And that's those. They can hear you. I'm not my camera, but you can't see my lip on it right now. And I got one set of these. I wish I'd have got the other one. I put the other one back, and now I'm kind of mad. But anyway, these are $1.99, the decorative clips, because they're the other Carpe Diem ones. And of course, you know, Hobby Lobby has to sell. By the time this video up, it may be over with. But anyway, this is 1908754, and those are the clips. Sorry about this lighting. Tried to get up early because I had to make several videos. Alright, Simple Stories 6x6, and this one is hers, and these are the papers. And that is $2.99, and is 1908713, and I'll show you. I think I have the large one. I got this too, Recollections. So again, you know, Recollections is Michael's brand. So my other haul, I'll show you some other stuff from Recollections, so I won't know what's going on Tuesday morning about everybody's stuff. So this one is the Not Too Serious pad, and it is $4.99. These are 8x8, and it's 1929675. And I believe Kendra, no, Crafty Cakes, I think, had it on her video. Love it because of all the sayings. Let me see. I just want to show you some of these. These are, I should have did this ahead of time. Wasn't thinking. But I thought this was so cute because there's a lot of, oops, just some cute sayings in here. Just snazzy little sayings. And of course, some cut aparts that you could, you know, put on cards, different things like that as well. So, all right, so this is, let's see, Simple Stories 48 sheet pack, and this one is 1848469. So this is the 12x12 color pad, 12x12 color pad, 12x12 paper pad. These are some of the images of the papers. And I'll do a quick flip. And of course, you've got your cut aparts, Polaroids.
Watch this one.
More cut aparts. I can't wait now, honey. Okay, honey, I'm trying to look a video. I'll watch it. We just pause it. I've seen that before. Yes, you showed me that, honey.
You see Annoying Orange?
I've seen that talking pear thing. So that's some of those pages, and again, cut aparts. And then we got a whole bunch of these paper pads. And we're gonna split some of these.
Will they always chop?
That made it, oops, sorry. Which makes it a lot cheaper. Anyway, so these were $3.99. This is a newspaper cardstock. Again, this is Simple Stories, and it's 19087112. So that's the back, just like little diamonds, I mean triangles. And then script. I love script. So we're gonna be splitting these. This is $3.99. Oh, this is so adorable. And this is 19087004. Journaling elements. Too cute. Sorry, I'm in the camera. And that's the back. You can use either side. And so, actually having somebody to, how that glare, shot with, and it can split stuff. That makes it even cream icing on the cake. This one is $3.99, and this is some journaling card elements. It's $3.99, and it's 19087003. And I posted all these on my Instagram because it usually takes me a while to get a video up because I don't always have a camera, and I hate doing it on my phone. I don't have as much success doing videos on my phone. So again, we're going to split these out to save money, which made it such an awesome deal. $3.99. So there's 190871 pencil and cardstock. I like some of these sayings. Planner Boss Creativity is my love language. Also amazing time for a reset. Like a boss. Pencil it in. Planning awesomeness. It's all about the plan. All that kind of stuff. So just a whole bunch of pencils. And then typewriters on the back. And this one says, "You go, girl." And that's the back on that one. And this one is 19087063.99 again. And I really like this one, cut aparts, because this is a lot of cut aparts. You get you a lot out of this, because you got your little mini Rolodex tickets and your guest checks, your library pocket cards, and then some tickets and stubs. So, and then on the back you just got your little checkerboard, which you can't really see, but it's red. And this is $3.99, 190870. So all those are Simple Stories. Now, a couple more pads that also have women on it, not necessarily Simple Stories, but they're just cute. This is Authentique, and this one is called Fabulous. Fabulous. And the number is $5.99, and it's 1926683, because it's fabulous. I just thought this was so cool and retro. It's double-sided. But look at those pictures. Oh my goodness. They are so yummy. They even had a rooster one that I wanted so bad, but you know, I had to have a little bit of self-control. But the rooster one is so pretty. And it's black and white. Look at that. The newsprint, the glasses in black and white, and the other side is in color. Cherries, dogs, more your newsprint, some cut aparts, and the ladies in color on the newspaper, and all these cut aparts. So some more cut aparts like the front. So anyway, I just thought it was pretty. And then the last set was the Utopia set. And this is both Authentique, and this is with the sticker collection, and this is 1926681, $5.99, and the paper pad $6.99, and it's 1851606. So she got these set right here. So this one is 24, and I guess this is 12. Double-sided papers and all the accessories. She's from the islands. St. Croix. So I guess, even though this is more Hawaiian, but I guess it has that feel. There's something islandy. So it has the cut aparts. Pineapples and stuff. So I'm glad she let me use her stuff in here as well, so you can see those just in case you're looking for them. And like I said, there's a couple more items that I didn't get if you're looking for by Reset Girl. A few more items out there. So be on the lookout for that. But anyway, thanks for liking, subscribing, and liking and commenting. And I dare you to be creative. Take care. Bye-bye.